Hi everybody, this is Ryan and I'm your instructor for educational technology. I'm really excited to begin this course with you and to get to know you through this course. I wanted to make this video to share a few things with you, some things about myself and also about the course. So first off, again, my name is Ryan Cardula and I currently work in Emporia in the teaching learning department at Central Office. Before that, I worked at the high school and I was a math teacher. My wife is also she's a special education teacher in Emporia, and I have 2 daughters that go to Emporia State. I've been teaching online courses for a number of years, and I really look forward to working with you in this course. Now, just a little bit of a clarifier about this course. This is a brand new course. This is the first semester is being taught, so please be patient with it. There's going to be problems and issues that arise, and we're going to work through them together, and we're going to make changes and whatever needs to be done to make this the best possible course ever. But anyway, let's get to this course. Let's kind of go through a few things. So first off, this is our homepage. This is where you'll land when you launch up Canvas for this course. This is a picture of me. Here's my email address and here's my phone number if you need to get a hold of me. Also, announcements will appear on this page. And one thing about announcements is you're going to get a lot of them from me. I utilize announcements to communicate with you. That's my primary source of communication in this course. So make sure your Canvas is turned on to receive notifications from the announcements. So let's go through a few things. So first off, home. I mentioned announcements. Make sure that you're looking at my announcements. I'll usually send 1 or 2 every week. You'll usually get 1 at the start of the week and the 1 about midweek as a reminder to go through this course. So here you can see 3 of them. There's a couple that are delayed. You'll get a couple tomorrow. You got 1 today, and you'll get another one today with this welcome video. The next thing is the syllabus. Please make sure you look through the syllabus, go through it, and read it. There's a required text. It's right here. You can get that from your bookstore. Let me know if you have problems with that. Next one are the modules. For this course, we have, I believe, 16 modules. There's a getting started. And they're pretty much all, the modules are all set up about the same way. You can see they're all right here. And you just start at the top and work your way through. Every module will have an overview. This overview will kind of tell you about what the module is about and what to expect. If you want to go to the next one, hit next. Then you'll also have a to-do list. These are your to-do lists, and right here are your assignments. Every week you'll have at least 1 discussion board. One thing about the discussion board is I recommend that you post early. Usually try to get your discussion boards done by, your initial posts done by Wednesday, because I ask that you do follow-up posts as well. So if we go back to the module, here's the resources as well. Take a look at that one. Every module has some sort of PowerPoint presentation that goes along with the book and the reading. So make sure you take a look at that. It's a good resource. And then you get into your discussion boards. For this one, we'll have 2. We'll have an intro discussion board, and we'll have a one that says using standards to be a technology using teacher. So there's your 2 discussion boards for this week. And again, I expect at least 2 posts. I expect an initial post for each one, and then I expect at least 2 follow-ups of your classmates that needs to be done by the end of the week. So if we look at this one, I think that explains it a little bit better for you. Yeah, so here we go. So take a look at this. So your initial post is due by Wednesday, and your follow-ups are due by Sunday. That'll be the way these will work. And then make sure you take a look at this part here. This is kind of what I expect for the follow-ups. I expect you to answer the post in the initial, and then do your follow-ups. Then after that, you pretty much have your 2 assignments for this week. You'll always have a quiz over the chapter, and then you'll have some sort of an activity or something that you can actually make and utilize as you move into the classroom. Then your discussions will be, this is where you'll post your discussions. It'll all appear here. And then you can see your grades. Here's your discussions. Here's your grades. And your assignment. So this is the course. I'm excited about it. I'm a little bit nervous about it because it's brand new, but we'll work through it and we'll make it the best possible course. If you need me, let me know. I'm here for you. Talk to you later.